Greetings to one and all present here. Today, our topic is openCV app for checking OMR sheet. This app helps us to provide an optimal answer checking software for research purposes. This can be used in educational fields and also fields which helps to take exams all over the world. Now we start the code description. First of all, we define the modules which are required in the code. CV2 is a module which helps us to control the camera and the computer vision system. External is a Python project device which we have already created. NumPy is for numeric progressions. Streamlit is for deployment. And for the image processing, we have used PIL. In the first few lines, we have the title structure which is created by the Streamlit. And now we are starting our project. First of all, we have generated a button for easy traversal through the application. There are two other buttons which I can further define in my video productions. Let's come down how the project is going to work. If correct file and test file is not none. As you can see, it is using a basic if-else conditioning problem to check if the given images are equal to each other or not. The image processing is done in the next part of the code. Over here, we have the code for basic understanding if the answers provided in the two images are perfectly matched or not. Checking is done in a 60-60-60 format, and the number checking is done in format of a 250, 250 and 250 format. Finding the contours, and after that the bounding boxes. The bounding boxes helps us to understand which part of the picture has the maximum number of pixels, therefore that answer being the right answer. The crop function helps to crop the image to the required dimensions only. The extra part of the image is considered as noise. We have applied a threshold over here. As you can see, the rows 25, columns 4, these helps us to understand how this whole process is going to work. Now we come down to the lower parts of our code. After setting the threshold, now we are checking for the image processing. First of all, we obviously create the grayscale. Over here also we have created a threshold above which the grayscale is going to be detected. Correct box, and as we will be able to show, a box is generated on the sides of the answers provided and also the correct answers. Indexing is done from a range of 0 to 25 as in 25 pixels. If 0 pixels are colored, then it is not obviously accepted, and if more than 25 are colored also, then the value exceeds the bound and therefore it is not considered. For test answer splitting, over here the pixels are understood first of all by CV2, and then we are counting the marks. This function is used for marks counting. The marks is counted with the plus equal to format. Over here the count tr contains the basic 0 marks, and then it is increased as per requirement. After each checking, if the value if the answer provided is a green, then the value is increased by 1, but if the answer provided is a red, then the value is not increased. The score calculation is done within a range of 0 to 25. Because there are 25 questions, we can increase the range according to the number of questions, and we over here the answer of the score is provided in form of percentage. Therefore we obviously know how the percentage is calculated. We divide the score by 25 and then multiply the whole thing with 100. therefore obtaining the percentage, which in this case will be shown in form of two numbers after the decimal point. And after that we have the display function, which helps us to show how the output is going to be provided to the end point user. Thank you. Now we come down to the web application of our project. As you can see, after deployment with Streamlit, this is the landing page. Over here there are two browse files options. From here we will choose the correct option first. Over here, as you can see, there is an OMR sheet with all answers correct, or the teacher's copy. For the next section, we are going to select the student's copy, or the file which is to be checked. From here we get two buttons. First of all, an option to show us if we have chosen the right options or not. Over here, as you can see, I have chosen the teacher's copy and the student's copy, and in my opinion it is perfect. Let's continue the checking. As you can see, the obtained marks is provided in a percentage format. The student has obtained 68%, and the answers which are correct, those are marked in green, and the wrong answers are marked in red. Over here, as we have not provided any description of the student, a blank description board is provided. If descriptions were provided in the paper or the questions provided, as you can see here, no description is provided. Therefore, if the descriptions were provided, then that would have appeared over here. And that is how our output is going to show. Thank you.